Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel again. This is the RSI guy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the RSI indicator with price action to know when to take a trade, especially when you want to trade with a trend. And so we'll be looking at this chart. Is an Ethereum USDT chart, and I'll be showing you what I saw with this chart and how we can use it to take advantage of money making opportunities. So let's get into the video right away. So we'll see that in this chart we had a downtrend. All right, so you can see that this chart had a downtrend, and there around the zone we had a change in the structure of the market. All right, so when we look at this break in structure at this point, we can look at the storyline and we realize that around this zone we had an accumulation. After the downtrend, we had an accumulation going on around here. So right here, right now, if we look at this RSI very well, we'll find out that we didn't get any divergence. So we are not looking at the divergence, we are looking at price action, market structure, but I will show you where we will use the RSI indicator. All right, so let me delete all this drawing from this video. So now that we have a break in the market structure around the zone, like I showed you before, we get this break. Now what are we looking at with our RSI indicator to know how to enter this trade? Now if you look at the RSI indicator, we are already in the overbought region, and so now we want to ensure that we are not buying at the overbought region. We want the RSI indicator and price action to give us a discount, and a discount, if you understand the fair value gap and all that, you will know that we have several discount area within this price action. All right, so if we have all this discount area within the price action, what do we want to do now? So we want the RSI indicator to take us to the oversold region. In other words, we like to take the trade when the RSI come around this zone. That is one. The RSI takes us to the oversold region. Then the market structure is intact. This is the recent low, and now we have the recent high. So if this is the recent high and the recent low, we don't just want price to continue to fly like this. We don't just want price to continue to do something like this. We want price to first, I have to delete these drawings. So if this is the recent low and the recent high, all right, we want price to come to our area of discount. In other words, we want price to come to somewhere like this before going higher. All right, and at the same time we want to see our RSI do what? Come to the oversold region, around this region, before we take a trade. So the market, we are expecting the RSI indicator to take us to the oversold region without this market structure changing and coming to an area of discounts before we can take the trade. So when we want to take this trade, we'll say, okay, our stop loss will be around this zone. Our stop loss will be below this bullish engulfing candle. All right, our stop loss is here around the zone, and our take profit will be a 1 to 3 risk to reward. All right, so let me delete the drawings. Let me delete these drawings. Now let's play and let's see what happens. So we can see price is ranging. And boom, now you can see, if I show you clearly, you can see that right here we had a what? We had a bullish engulfing candle. This is a bullish engulfing candle. So now that we have a bullish engulfing candle, what do? So we enter this trade with a 1 to 3 risk to reward. All right, so Our trade will be here. We will take it, our stop loss will be below this bullish engulfing candle, all right? And then our take profits will be a 1 to 3 risk to reward, right? So we can take a 1 to 3 risk to reward. So this is a 1 to 3 risk to reward, and our stop loss is below this bullish engulfing candle, and our take profit is above the recent high. So if this is our trade, if I play it out, let's see what happens. And also remember that our RSI indicator, you find out that our RSI indicator came to the oversold region before we got this bullish engulfing candle, which is our entry to tell us that this is still a bullish setup. So if I play this, let's see how it plays out. And you can see the price continue to move higher, and boom, I'll take profit. And if you continue to play it out, and if we continue to play this video out, you'll find out that even the recent high price will likely come to this region because it is already now in a bullish setup. But our trading goals have been achieved. So this is a good setup, and this is how to take a trade using the RSI indicator and price action. Alright guys, please let me know what you think about this video. Like and share. I'll be seeing you in the next video guys. Have a very beautiful day.